Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back again in comparing two watch Ultra clone in the market. We have here the latest, the S10 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and it's using the Watch Pro Support App, a 49mm watch Ultra clone. And we have here 7-in-1 straps. And we have here our previous purchase, the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, it is also using the Watch Pro Support App and with 4 bands free. So it is this one is somewhat popular among those who are looking for an affordable watch Ultra clone. And we have here the new one. So by request, we are going to compare the S10 Ultra 2 with our T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. What is the difference? Are they just the same wearable, just rebranded? We will see in this video comparison of the S10 Ultra 2 versus the 20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So if you are planning to buy or get this new one, if you have the T20 and you're planning to get the S10 Ultra, or maybe you have the S10 Ultra and you are planning to get the T20 Ultra 2, watch this video first so you can decide whether it is worth buying or you just pick a new model for smartwatch instead of this wearable. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video comparison, just drop a comment below. Subscribe, like, and share. Alright, let's start. Let's go first with our S10 Ultra 2. The S10 Ultra 2, as you can see here, it is a 7-in-1 strap, meaning we have at least 7 straps available for the wearable, as you can see here. And it is using the Watch Pro application. It is a 49mm smartwatch. We have here wireless charging, sporty strap. We do have the black color, but it is also available in other colors such as silver and titanium color. We do have the crown button to change the watch face, return button, and we have the side button for the sports function. And the popular affordable watch Ultra clone, we have the T20 Ultra 2. Also using the Watch Pro application. We have a gray color here, 49mm body frame, wireless charging, and it has 4 bands available for the wearable. Okay, we are using the other one here, as you can see. When it comes to the design, obviously it has the same body frame here with a crown button for, let's see, changing the watch face, return button here, and sports on this side. Okay, so let's have a close comparison of the two wearable when it comes to the design. As you can see here, both do have a watch Ultra clone design, almost the same. I think they have the same body size. On the side, the same size for the crown button and the side button. At the back, the same style. As you can see here, we do have the Phillips screw, the same cover for our sensor. On the other side, we also have the same size of the orange action button. So practically just the same smartwatch when it comes to body frame, just different color here. Okay, let's check. Let's try to remove the strap here. Okay, do we have the same weight, or this one is much heavy? Okay, let's remove. I am curious to see if they have the same weight. 38.82. Seems like this one is a bit heavy compared to the other one. Much lighter. 36.87. I don't know if what is the difference. Maybe there's some new added hardware. Okay. But when it comes to size, they are just the same wearable, I think. Or the same body frame. Okay. Maybe the paint. Okay. What do you think? Okay. So let's check on the UI of the wearable. To tell you honestly, I think this is just the same smartwatch. Okay, the same. I check on the model, the same model, just different version. Okay, so let's try to check. Let me show it to you before we explore the menus. Let's go to the about section. We'll check later on if they have the same arrangement for the menu. We have here the T10 Ultra 2. So let's see here. About. And as you can see here, T10 Ultra, although it says S10 Ultra 2. And we have here, again, more about T10 Ultra 2, although it says T20 Ultra 2. They are all just rebranded smartwatches. Let's adjust first the screen display for this one. Backlight time, we'll make it 30 seconds. So about, and as you can see here, version 2042, version 18364. So this is the latest. Seems like this one, 2024, March 1, 2024, I think, the model make. Well, this one, although this is the latest, we have here 2023, November 2, 2023. So this one, although we purchased this, okay, several months ago, but it is the latest compared to the S10 Ultra 2. Okay, maybe they just marketed it again as a new wearable, but just the same smartwatch. For the UI, let's see. On top, we have the message notifications, as you can see. On the bottom part, the same options here. On the other side, we have the same split screen. On the right side, watch faces. Okay. When it comes to screen display, I think this one is much better than this one, the S10 Ultra 2. The menus, let's see. Dialer, phone book, heart rate, as you can see here, the same UI. Blood oxygen monitoring, health cyclic, ECG, sports monitoring. I think they have the same number of sports. Yes. Okay. And of course, the same data, I think. Camera, blood pressure, music control, reset, weather, looking for sleep monitoring, menu style, at least 6. Okay. Message notifications, stopwatch. As you can see here, they also have the same arrangement of menus. We have more, Siri, about, backlight time. This one, it has an option for dynamic watch faces. Split screen. Okay. Bed lamp mode, back time, side key settings. Okay. There's an additional feature for this one compared to this one. Although this one, it says it is the latest. But I do believe the T10 Ultra 2 or the T20 Ultra 2 do have a much latest feature compared to our new purchase, the S10 Ultra 2. Later, WhatsApp application, we have the games. Let's see, the same. We have a calendar here. We also have a calendar. Yes, calculator, breath training, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see here, they are just the same wearable with just maybe new hardware, because when it comes to software, there's only one difference. Okay, but when it comes to the design, they are just the same. Maybe it is using a new processor or a new memory or a new board. We don't know. Okay, but when it comes to feature offering, they are just the same wearable. It is using the HiWatch Pro also, and this one is also using the HiWatch Pro. So again, if you are planning to get one, seems like you are just getting the same smartwatch. Okay, so I hope you've learned something about the difference between the T10 or the T20 Ultra 2 versus the S10 Ultra 2. For those who are planning to get one, I'd advise you not to get, except if you want the 7-in-1 strap. They're just the same wearable. Go for a new model. Again, if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye!